Hey everyone, Quinn from Boardsource here, and I'm thrilled to share with you our latest release, Equals. Equals is a comprehensive ortholinear product suite consisting of premium cases, SMT PCBs, and DIY solderable kits. Equals come in two flavors, Equals 48 and Equals 60. Equals 48 refers to the 40% 4x12 layout because 4 times 12 equals 48. Equals 60 refers to the 60% 5x12 layout because 5 times 12 equals 60. Available today and in stock are both Equals MX cases, 48 and 60, as well as the Equals SMT PCB in the MX variety, and all solderable DIY kits. Available sometime next month will be the Equals LP SMT PCB, compatible with Technic cases, and sometime early next year, we'll round out the case offerings by bringing Equals 60 and Equals 48 to low-profile chalk. Let's take a closer look at each of these products, starting with the case kits. Equals case kits come in two variations, Equals 48 for the 4x12 40% layout, and Equals 60 for the 5x12 60% layout. Each case kit includes an aluminum case, sound dampening foam, FR4 plate, and hardware. You can choose from 3 standard colors: silver, space gray, and black. Plus, there's 2 special launch colors, forest green for Equals 48 and espresso for Equals 60. Now that you're familiar with the beautiful Equals cases, I want to give you a detailed look at the SMT PCBs we're releasing. Remember, the Equals MX PCB is available starting today, while the Equals LP PCB will be available sometime next month and is compatible with our Technic cases. Both PCBs share the exact same features, and neither PCB requires any soldering by the user. Let's get into the details. Equals SMT PCBs come fully assembled, with no soldering required. We offer them in 2 variants, MX and Chalk LP. Both PCBs start as a 5x12 layout, but for 4x12 Equals 48 cases, you simply break away the last row to make it compatible, converting your PCB to a 4x12 layout. Equals PCBs are powered by an RP2040 processor, the most robust keyboard controller available. Equals PCBs work with QMK via or vial, and also KMK and PEG. These PCBs have all the lighting you could ever want, featuring fully programmable per-key RGB LEDs and underglow. The PCBs accommodate 2 spacebar configurations. You can either use 2 1U keys or a single 2U spacebar depending on your preferences. We've also built in support for full-color TFT screens or OLED screens. And there's a piezo buzzer. Equals case kits and PCBs combine to create the most advanced ortholinear keyboards available today. But we understand some customers prefer a DIY approach, so we brought the whole product line to solderable kits. Let me show them to you. FR4 cases and solderable DIY PCBs are available for both Equals 48 and Equals 60 MX or Chalk configurations. All these kits start as 5x12 Equals 60 layouts, and you can convert them to 40% 4x12 layouts by breaking away the outermost row. Keep in mind though, Equals DIY PCBs are not compatible with aluminum Equals case kits. Stick to an FR4 case for these. We're so excited to offer our customers a comprehensive ortholinear line of products. For detailed specs and features, as well as pricing and more photos, please check it out on Boardsource.xyz. And until next time, see ya.